everybody, my name is Ben Anthoine and I'm the founder and CEO of Credit Elite. I'm going to answer some questions for you about credit repair. Most of the question we get. The first question is credit repair legal? Well, yes, credit repair is 100% legal and it works because of the law. That one law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, gives you the right to dispute any item on your credit reports. If an item cannot be verified, it has to be removed. It must be removed. This will immediately boost your credit score. Even accurate negative items can be often removed and negotiated. The next question is, how does credit repair work? Well, 79% of all credit reports contain errors. This means that most credit reports can be improved instantly. The next step is to work with creditors to negotiate the removal of negative items. Credit repair is especially effective after a collection, delinquency, bankruptcy, divorce, identity theft, foreclosure even. We will guide you every step of the way to order your free credit reports, remove errors, and negotiate the removal of negative items. We create powerful letters written by attorneys that place the burden of proof on the credit bureaus and creditors, not on you. We will monitor your progress every step of the way. You'll be able to do so as well through our portal. Our financial experts will also help you to keep your finance organized so you will never wind up with bad credit again. We'll teach you how to keep it. Another question we get often is there a guarantee that works? Most people see positive results within 30 days. Even accurate negative item can be often negotiated away. Now, what is a credit report? Okay, a credit report is a consumer's financial report card. Lenders report their history with you to the credit bureaus, and the credit reports are the summary. It's a list of the type of credit you use, how long your account has been open, and whether you pay your bills on time or not, amongst other factors. Credit card companies, bank, mortgage companies, auto loans, insurance companies, landlord, and even employers use credit report to check on your credit history before deciding on doing business with you or not. Why? They know that if you were responsible in the past, you are likely to be responsible in the future, and vice versa. Another thing we want to talk about is, what is credit scoring? Well, it's an algorithm. Credit scoring is a system creditors use to help determine whether to give you credit, how much credit, and how much to charge you for it. When you apply for credit, the creditor and lender will request your report and score from one of the big three bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And sometimes, for example, when you apply for a mortgage, they will even pull from all three of them at the same time. Your credit worthiness comes from calculating your credit history against a system called the Fair ISAC model. It's an algorithm. Fair ISAC use a variety of factors to determine your score: your bill paying history, the number and type of accounts you have, late payments, collection actions, outstanding debt, and the age of your accounts. The final outcome of those calculations is referred to you as your FICO score. The FICO range from 300 to 850, but the majority of the score fall between 600s and the 700s. While a FICO score above 700 will give you a very good mortgage rate, a score above 720 will get you an even better rate, saving you thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, believe it. A score below 700 will make you getting a loan very difficult, and if you get approved, it should be improved. Correcting mistakes on the credit report In order to repair an undesirable credit score takes time, and it's your responsibility to correct mistakes that may appear on your credit report. I hope that it helps you guys to understand what credit repair is and how it works a little bit more now. So be on the lookout for the next video. I think it'll be tomorrow or so, or next week, whatever the boss says. And take care, everybody, and fix your credit.